Good morning, everybody. Welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and I make videos about college lifestyle and travel. Also, if you're new here, I'm currently studying abroad with Semester at Sea Spring 2022. This morning I'm here with my roommate Nicole.
Hey!
And we're about to meet some of our friends and go to a cafe because we are in Denmark. So we don't really know what the plans are for the rest of the port, but that's why we're going to a cafe, use some Wi-Fi, sort things out. So that's going to be stop number 1. Just packed up my bag and we're ready to go.
Okay, so right now we're on our way to the Happiness Museum. I don't know where we're going, how far it is, but we will get there and we will see you when we get there.
Yeah, I couldn't have said it better myself. We finished up at the coffee shop and we're going to the Happiness Museum.
Hold on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I'll be better when we're old enough. Take apart all the good things.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So today, it's like 2 o'clock. We got a late start to the day, to say the least. But anyways, we're going to go ride bikes around the city because
Nicole doesn't know how to ride. Nicole doesn't know how to ride a bike.
Yeah,
It's really exposing me.
So, like, biking is really big in Copenhagen, so we're gonna go ride bikes and we're gonna teach Nicole how to ride a bike because she's never ridden one before.
Yeah.
Weird. So we're like moms, and today we're teaching our daughter how to ride a bike.
Yeah.
Wish us luck.
mothers,
Wish us
we'll
luck.
see.
I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. Hey, I'm sorry. Do you think we're old enough?
So she fell a couple times, but we did teach Nicole how to ride a bike today. We basically just biked around all day. We found this super pretty little park and we caved and got McDonald's. After that, I just came back to the hostel to get some work done. And now we're all gonna play some games in the lobby downstairs for the rest of the night.
Hi, vlog. Did you miss me?
Good morning, everybody. So yesterday we got back to the hostel, played some games, and now this morning we had breakfast at the hostel. I'm currently sitting in the hostel and everybody's staring at me as I vlog. But the plan is some of us are gonna go back to the ship, drop some stuff off, grab some stuff, and then we're gonna go to the botanical gardens. And then after that, I think we're going shopping into a cafe, but nothing like super set in stone yet other than the botanical gardens. So let's get to it. How do you feel after your first day of riding a bike? Oh.
Sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I.
So things didn't go according to plan. We went to the botanical garden and it was freezing rain. And then we tried to go to the indoor part and the guy was like, no, we're closed on Monday. It's Monday, of course. And we found out that all the other like big museums in the entire city are also closed on Monday. but back to the freezing rain, we can't do anything outside. So right now we're at a Starbucks trying to figure things out, but I think we're going to go, there's some other smaller museums that are like not owned by the city that some people want to go to. Otherwise, dress shopping for alumni ball and going to a cafe that has board games is also on the table. But it's all over here.
I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future.
Everybody, it is now the next morning, and as you can see, I am back on the ship. Today I have my last field class, and if you don't know what a field class is, go watch my Cyprus or my Croatia vlogs because I explain it a little bit more in detail there. But essentially it's just a grown-up version of a field trip that you do during semester at sea for all of your classes except for global studies. So today I have my feature writing field class, which is one of my journalism classes, and we're going to be taking a cooking class for smorgasbords. I don't know how to say them, but essentially they're a traditional Danish open-faced sandwich. We're going to be doing a cooking class for those, and then going to a food market, interviewing some people, and writing a feature story about them. So I need to go meet up with the rest of my class for that. My past two field classes, I haven't really done a lot of like vlogging during it, but I did get some good like B-roll behind the scenes and then caught up with you guys afterwards, so I'm guessing that's what I'm going to do again today.
Summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future.
Hey guys, so I just got back from my field class and it was actually so much fun. So first we had a cooking class and we made smorgasbord. I think I'm saying that right, but we made basically 3 open-faced sandwiches. It's like a traditional Danish dish. One of them was a fish one, but I didn't have fish on mine because I don't eat fish. The other one was a chicken salad, and then the other one was vegetarian. It was a potato one. So it was really fun to make and they tasted delicious and they were super filling. And then after that we went to Reffen, which was super neat. It's basically this kind of like food market, I guess. Like you can go and you can get stuff to eat, and it's like an outdoor cafeteria thing, but all of the businesses are in old shipping containers. So it's a really popular place in Copenhagen. I had heard of it before and I was really excited when I found out that we were going. So we spent a while there. I got a coffee and a crepe, and then we went to an indoor market, which was more like picking up groceries. The first one was like if you want to go and like sit down and have something to eat. The other one was like picking up food to bring home. Our guy's name was Alex and he was so sweet. But yeah, overall it was a really good day. And now I'm back on the ship. I really need to take a shower because I'm just feeling kind of icky. So I'm gonna do that. And then call my mom, do a little bit of laundry, and then try to see what my friends are up to right now. Hello.
Hiya.
I'm here with Daisy and Ava.
Hello.
And the lighting's really bad, but we are going to go to an Irish pub and potentially a karaoke bar?
Yeah.
We don't know.
We'll see where the night takes us.
I'm losing my voice again.
Last night in Denmark, I curled Daisy's hair. She looks like
She looks great.
me. Soft curls, but long hair. So yeah, that's all. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It is now our last day in Denmark. Last night we were gonna go do karaoke, but then we found this Irish pub that we want to go to first, and instead we just stayed there the whole night and then came back to the ship after that. But it is now our last day in Denmark. It is raining again, so my plan is to go to a cafe. I need to book my plane tickets home, which is so sad to think about, but I definitely need to get that done today and then register for a summer class that I have to take, and then probably buy some snacks for the next stretch at sea. So that's my plan for the day. We have to be back on the ship at like 3 anyway, so not that much time to do like anything super exciting.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on.